Morning, my dear students. Uh, Thank you for being with me. Actually, I have been late for maybe 7 or 8 minutes. I really apologize for that. In my last class, I talked about Unit 6 Lesson 2, and the lesson consists of paragraph number 5 and 6, and I told you that I'd like to focus on question pattern. I'd like to give you some MCQs so that you can become aware of the question pattern. And so we will not waste a single second. At first, we will recap what the lesson says. We need to get the information again, and then we will try to practice the questions. Dear students, look at the slide. This computer. Okay, dear students, I told you that this lesson consists of 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph is related to the situation of adolescent girls. I told you that adolescent girls are pulled out because of 2 reasons: their marriage and work. Okay, whenever they are pulled out, they become deprived of social status. They become segregated from their friends. They lose their mobility, and the lack of mobility also diminishes, you can say reduces, their economic and non-formal educational opportunities. Moreover, they lack information about health issues. That means there are some issues that are lacked by adolescent girls whenever they are pulled out of school. According to a study, only about 3 in 5 adolescents have heard of HIV. Even only 3 adolescent girls out of 5 have heard about HIV. So this paragraph is about the situation of adolescent girls. There is something more. It is reported that 50%, I told you that most of the adolescent girls remain undernourished and they suffer from anemia. Okay. But adolescents' fertility is still high in Bangladesh. Look at please. The total fertility rate was 20.3% in 1993, but because of the contribution of adolescent girls, it increased up to 24.4%. But there is a matter of concern. There is a matter of, what should I say? There is a matter of tension. That is, neonatal mortality is still there. Okay. And the last paragraph was about the adolescent boys. The situation of adolescent boys is much better, but there are some problems. They are unable to take their decisions. Okay, they are unable to take their decisions. Many of the adolescent boys do not go to school. As they do not go to school, they remain unconscious of health and social issues. There is a tendency of being drawn into criminal activities, considering the side of the adolescent boys. They are also more likely to get exposed to drugs and alcohol. There is a chance of getting addicted to drugs and alcohol. This was the lesson that we talked about. Now we need to talk about the question pattern, my dear students. I think you have gone through the passage. Now I'd like to talk about the question pattern. These are the words I gave you: pulled out, mobility status, lack, cartel, economic opportunities. We talked about, dear students, we talked about these words in our last class. Yes, these are another 5 words that we learned. Now look at the question pattern. Depending on paragraph number 5 and 6, question was given in Dhaka Board 2019. I'd like to give you 5 questions. Here are the 3 questions. Now you are requested to give me the answer, and I will try to give you some 2 minutes. You will get 2 minutes to write down the answer of A, B and C. Dear students, write your answers down in the comment box. I'd like to request all of you to give me the answer of these 3 MCQs. Are you there, my dear students? Rubai, be serious. My dear students, you are requested to be ready with your answer. And I want you to get the answer at one time. Don't write the answer separately. Please write the answer at one time. Thank you, Rudra. We have a lot of participants with us. Habibur Rahman. Yes, Tariq Hassan, A3, B2, C4. Rafi Ahmed. I will give you another 1 minute. The first question is mobility means. The second question is the phrase exposed to may be replaced by. And the last question is what does the word study mean? Nabil, thank you. Shobboshasi Nijjat, thank you. Okay, I'd like to thank Hafizur Rahman, Fayyaz, Jahid, Hafizur Rahman, Aryan, Al Fayyaz. My dear students, your name have been in my memory. I get your presence every day. Thank you. Tawfika Farjana, thank you. Nitol. Monar Arif Nitol, maybe you are from Nur Muhammad College. Thank you, Nitol. Yusuf Hassan, Deep, Rubai. Rubai, thank you for your being serious. Afroza, Mahmoud Rahman, Muhammad Shaun, thank you. Okay, Rezaul Khalil Sujan, definitely I had your name. Afzal Hassan Shanto, thank you. Now, my dear students, I'd like to talk about the answer. Now, listen to what I say. Dear students, the word mobility means, I told you that mobility means gotishilata in Bengali. Ability doesn't carry the meaning of mobility. Creativity doesn't carry the meaning of mobility. Movement and activity, I think the answer should be movement. I will just ask you to know how many marks you are getting after we have solved the MCQs. So the answer is 3, movement. Question number B, the phrase exposed to may be replaced by. Exposed to may be replaced by to remove something, make public, or experience something harmful or shocking news. What is your answer, dear students? What is your answer? Salman Bil Sana, okay. Make public, no. It should be experience something harmful. Exposed to, here exposed to may be replaced by experience something harmful, okay. Then last one is, what does the word study mean? What does the word study mean? Definitely it should be reporting. It should be reporting. So option A, movement. Option B, experience something harmful. And option C, study mean reporting. Okay. So you have got 3 out of 3, most of you. Now, my dear students, I'd like to talk about question number D and yes, there are some another. There are 2 questions. Okay. Now write down the answer in the comment box. Okay. 3 out of 3, Sujan. Thank you. Nuruddin Sarkar reporting. Okay. Now give me the answer of question number D and E. Dear students, hurry up, hurry up. Give me the answer of question number D and E. Rubai, 3 out of 3. Wow. Monna, we are practicing the questions of the passage that we talked about in our last class. Tahsinul Islam, thank you. Monna, good. Deep, good. You are performing really well. We will enjoy more when we will learn direct. That is when we will have our classroom activities. I want to get the answers of everybody who are with me right now. Araf Haq, thank you. Shamim Rani, Shohan Sarkar. These names are very familiar with me, familiar to me, my dear students. Rimon. Mahian Kobi, Shamim Rani. Okay, my dear students. The word anemia could be best replaced by, you know that anemia means Rakto Shalpo. That is, don't say blood pressure, don't say blood sugar, don't say blood contamination. It should be shortage of blood. Thank you. Now, the word neonatal is closely related to dash. A newborn baby, a mother, an adolescent, a disease. Definitely a newborn baby. Neonatal means nobojatok. So, my dear students, these are the 5 questions that we have talked about. And I think the questions are a bit easier to answer. So, we have practiced 5 MCQs of Dhaka Board 2019. Okay. Now, tell me, how many marks have you got? 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 or 3 out of 5 or 0 out of 5? What is your performance? Tell me. What is your performance? What is the outcome of our learning? Shubho, 4 out of 5. Ragib, 3 out of 5. Very sad. Kazi Shafin, 4 out of 5. Shamim Ferdost, very sad. You are not doing well, my dear students. Who have got 5 out of 5? Nobody. Yes, I have got 1. Masum Billah, 5 out of 5. Thank you. Rahan, thank you. A special thank goes to, oh my God, Mizdanur Rahman Aryan. How is it possible to get 5 out of 4? How is it possible? Okay, thank you. Mubashira Fatima, 4 out of 5. Sujan, 5 out of 5. Sinan, 4 out of 5. Very sad. Nusrat Nipa, 4 out of 5. Tasir Islam. Okay, only 10% student have got 5 out of 5. Now, I'd like to give you some more questions, and 1 or 2 questions will be really interesting to understand. Okay, so my dear students, now I'd like to give you another 5 questions. Look at, you have to, my dear students, you have to give me the answer one by one. Now, give me the answer of question number F. The word study in the first paragraph is a or an. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Hazrat Thania, thank you. I have uttered your name. Dear students, you have to identify the parts of speech of study according to the uses in the passage. Okay. Some of you are thinking that this is noun. Some of you are thinking that this is verb. Shanjidul Haq Niloy, definitely I will read your name. Shipra Shaha, noun. Piyash Islam, noun. Alamin, verb. Ikramul Navin, noun. Raihan, verb. Adi, verb. Shubho, noun. Jayed Hassan Roni, noun. Rubai, noun. Rubai, are you confused? You have used an exclamation mark. Have you been confused? Mirja Bishti, it's verb. It's a verb. I don't know whether it's a noun or a verb. We will calculate. Sujon, noun. Rabbi, noun. Oh my God. You are giving emphasis. Good. Tasirul Islam, excellent explanation. Determiner plus noun. Very good. I have got you. Dear students, please. Okay. Dear students, look at this paragraph and look at the last line. What is written? It is written according to a study. I have underlined study. What kind of participle speech is study, dear students? Here, according to a study, here A is a determiner. In my last class, I told you that articles are called determiner. If you get any article, definitely that this determiner or article will be followed by a noun. Definitely there must be a noun after determiner. So, determiner plus noun. If we follow this structure, suppose we have got A, definitely this study will be noun. Is it clear to you? I think it's clear to you. So according to a study, here study is a noun. You don't have to think that this is a verb, okay? Now my dear students, question number G. Give me the answer. Question number G. Fayyaz, carry on. Now question number G, please. Moreover, they lack information about health issues. The underlined word is a or an. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb. What do you think? What do you think? Most of you are taking adjective. Excellent. Thank you. But why is health an adjective? Health is actually a noun, but why is it working as an adjective? Who can tell me? Polash, Siam, Mehdi, Sujon, Nabil, Brishti, Yusuf, Shipra, Tamim, Rabbi, Shamim, Rafi, Arjun, Hafizur Rahman. Okay, my dear students, now look at me. I'd like to give you some conception regarding modifier. Okay, look at, because this is really important. Dear students, there are 8 parts of speech, you know that. Noun, pronoun. Okay, look at please. Noun and pronoun are the 2 parts of speech. The name of anything is a noun. The name of anything is a noun. Dear student, the name of anything is a noun, and noun is replaced by pronoun. Okay. If any parts of speech, dear students, if any parts of speech or word modifies or qualifies noun, definitely that parts of speech will be adjective. Definitely that parts of speech will be adjective. Bangladesh, sorry, I should write there. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Look at this, students. Bangladesh is an agricultural country. Here an is a determiner. Here an is a determiner. That is, an is the article. Definitely after article, a noun must be there. And the noun is country, okay? The noun is country. So after determiner, definitely we will get a noun, and the noun is country. And this noun is being qualified. This noun is being qualified by the word agricultural. Agricultural. That's why I can say agricultural is an adjective, because it modifies the word country, and country is a noun, and if any parts of speech, if any noun is modified, the word that modifies is an adjective. Okay, now my dear student, look at a village doctor is really helpful. A village doctor is really helpful. Dear students, look at. A village doctor is really helpful. Here, doctor is a noun. You know that doctor is a noun. But I have a question here. Doctor is a noun. This doctor is being modified by the word village. Actually, village itself a noun, as village is itself a noun, but in this sentence the word village, that is a noun, is modifying the word doctor. Doctor is a noun, village is a noun. Okay, I have placed two nouns side by side, and the first noun modifies the second one. The first noun modifies the second one. In this case, the first noun will be an adjective. Is it clear to you? If two nouns are placed side by side, the first noun modifies the second one. In this case, this first noun will be an adjective, and this adjective is actually called noun adjective. In modifier, you will need this grammatical issue. If any noun modifies another noun, the first noun will be an adjective, and it is actually called noun adjective. Look at the slide, dear students. Now look at the slide. Moreover, they lack information about health issues. Health is a noun. Definitely health is a noun. Health is a noun. Issues is also a noun. Here, health modifies the word issues. That's why we have to regard it as adjective. Is it clear to you, my dear students? I think it's clear to you. Comment box, please. Have you got me? Have you got me, my dear students? Thank you. Do you have any question regarding this question number G? Now, the last one, that is question number 8. The word cartel in the first paragraph refers to. Cartel in the first paragraph refers to extend, fasten, hasten, diminish. Habibullah, Shaun, Palash, thank you. Yes, cartel means, I told you that, to decrease, to lessen, okay, to diminish. That means কমিয়ে ফেলা, okay. Extend means বাড়িয়ে দেওয়া, fasten, বেঁধে ফেলা, দ্রুত করা, hasten means বেঁধে ফেলা. So the last one is diminish. We can say reduce or lessen. We can say curtail. So the answer is option number 4. The word curtail in the first paragraph refers to option 4, diminish. Thank you. Thank you, my dear student. Now I'd like to talk about another two questions. It's a very Interesting question number I. Many boys who are unable to go to school or are employed remain under social or health issues. How many adjectives do you find in this sentence? Now calculate. How many adjectives do you find in this sentence? I have given a long line and you have to give me the number of adjectives in this sentence. Who can give me the answer? Okay. It's a very interesting question. I'd like to know the number of adjectives in this sentence. Okay. Nobody is replying. Are you confused? Yusuf Sadat Abid 6. Now game is on. Just when game is on because you are fighting with one another. 6, 5, 4. Wow. 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Nafis 6. Shajid 4. Alok 5. So, according to the answer, we can think that not all the students are correct. Okay. 4. Hazratania 4. Nital 5. Slide not clear. Definitely clear. 5. Alawin 5. Most of the students are silent now. Yusuf 6. Ronnie 5. Shubho 5. 4. Kazi Shafin 4. Aryan 4. Shifra 5. Shaun 5. Very pathetic question. Tasul Islam, you are just identifying the adjectives. Siam Khan 5, Shakib 4, Masum Billah 6. Wow, 6. Mashiara Fatima 5, Shopnil 5, Niloy 4. Most of the students are expecting that the number of adjective is 4 or 5. 4 or 5. I don't know. We will calculate. We will calculate. Tamjid 6. Rohan 4. You have division in you. Some of you are thinking that 4 and some of you are thinking that there are 6. Wow. Aryan sir. Abid, thank you. Oh my God, Shati Halda 2 or 3. Very, very sad. Now, my dear students, let me calculate. Many boys who are unable to go to school or are unemployed remain unaware social or health issues. Many boys who are unable to go to school or are unemployed, remain under of social or health issues. Now I'd like to calculate. Look at me, my dear students. Many boys here, many modifies boys. Boys is a noun. That's why many is an adjective. The first one. Who are unable. Here unable is an adjective. To go to school or are unemployed. Unemployed is an adjective. Or remain unaware. Unaware is an adjective. Of social or health issues. Here issues is modified by social and health. Social is an adjective. Health is an adjective. So how many adjectives are there? Most of you have taken the option 4 or 5. Only a very few students, a few students have taken the answer 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you, Tasin Islam. Thank you, Deep. Thank you, Sharkar. Thank you, Kabbo. Oh no, Sajid. Okay, thank you. Now the last question for you. Look at the last question and give me the answer, dear students. Give me the answer. Give me the answer of my last question. The antonym of the word unaware. The antonym of the word unaware. I'm expecting to get antonym, my dear students. Nitol, you changed your answer. Rudra Karim, your spelling is not correct. The antonym of the word unaware. I am expecting to get antonym. I am not looking for synonym, okay? You can say conscious. Unaware. The antonym of unaware is conscious. You can say informed. These are antonyms. These are antonyms. If I say synonym, you should say unconscious, ignorant. So, you can say unconscious, ignorant, uninformed. These are synonymous with unaware. The antonyms of unaware are conscious and informed. Okay. Thank you. I think you have got my answer. Now, I'd like to have a general discussion with you. The students of Dhaka College. The students of Dhaka College. Look at me. Here we have got a lot of students. There are some students of Dhaka College. Also, I have got a lot of students from other institutions of Bangladesh. The students of Dhaka College, I would like to make you inform that you have 3 grammatical items. You have 3 grammatical items for your upcoming city exam, CD2. Completing sentence. Gap filling with phrases and words, and right forms of verb. I have completed completing sentence. I have completed gap filling with phrases and words, and Purandar sir is taking a class on right forms of verb. From next class, my dear students, from next class, our colleague, one of our colleagues, Adnan Hussain, a very effective teacher, an excellent teacher of English, will conduct classes. That means the class on Saturday. Today is Wednesday. There is a class for the students of intermediate level on Saturday. This Saturday class will be conducted by Adnan sir, a faculty member of the Department of English. Okay, he will conduct a class on right forms of verb. So, if right forms of verb gets completed, there will be no question related to second paper. And we have 3 units from your English first paper book, and I have already talked about 2 or 3 lessons. I'd like to talk about some more lessons in our upcoming classes. I will not talk about English second paper till we complete CT2. Okay. So my dear students, my responsibility will be to make you complete the lessons suitable for CT2. So the next class, that is the class on Saturday, will be conducted by Adnan Hussain sir, and the class on next Wednesday will be conducted by me. So my dear students, every day you are participating in a very organized way, and we are really delighted by the performance of you. So my dear students, I don't want to continue today anymore. Thank you for being with me. I'd like to welcome you to enjoy every class of Dhaka College. There's a class on Saturday. It will be a class on right forms of verb, and that will be taken by Adnan sir, and I will conduct the class on next Wednesday. So my dear students, I'd like to bid you goodbye. Thank you.